My name is Abigail and I am in grade 8 and I want to take you through math revision. I have only 10 questions here. Let us begin. There is 1600 liters of water in a tank. If 40% of water is used, how much water is left in the tank? So, the volume of the water in the tank is 1600 liters. If 40% of water is used, so 40% used. How much water is left with? So, 100%, water was full and 40% was used. So, if you say 100% minus 40, the answer is 60%. 100% is equals to 1600 liters. What about 60%? You cross multiply. 60% up times 1600 liters over 100%. Percent and percent. Your answer is 960 liters. Question number 2. Increase 700 by 3%. You say 700 is equals to 100%. And the question says increase. You will increase it to 103%. You will construct like 103% times 700 over 100%. Percent and percent. The answer is 721. Or you can do this 700, 3% of 700. The answer is 21. 700 plus 21 is 721. It's still the same. Kamal had 96 goats in the farm. He sold 36 goats. Find the percentage decrease in the number of goats. The total number of goats was 96. It is still the original. And the number of goats sold is 36. The unsold is 60. Find the percentage decrease in the number. So, a percentage decrease is equals to decrease over the original times 100%. The decrease is 36. It is not 60. It is 36. And the original is 96 times 100%. The answer is this is your answer.
What is the answer?
75 over 2%.
What is that?
Or you can do it as a decimal. On decimal.
the equation? 36?
36 over 96.
Divided by 96 times 100. Then you give me decimal.
Okay, into fraction is 75 over 2%. And as a decimal is is 37.5. That's your answer. The price of a phone was increased from 8,000 shillings to 10,000. Calculate the percentage increase in the price. Higher. You write the increase is, you would take this one minus this one. 10,000 minus 8,000. Your answer is 2,000. Your percent, okay, this one is the increase because, yes, because of that. The percentage increase is increase over the original times 100%. Your increase is 2,000 and your original is 8,000 times 100%. Your answer is 20%. Decrease 800 by 25.
Then you read the questions.
In question 5, decrease 800 by 20%. Before, the decrease was 800 is equals to 100%. And the decrease of 20% is 80%. We'll cross multiply. 80% times 800 over 100%. Percent and percent. What? Your answer is 640. In question 6, the ratio of cups to plates is 4 to 7, and that of cups to spoons is 3 to 5. What is the ratio of plates to cups to spoons? The cups to plates is 4 to 7, and cups to spoons is 3 to 5. Now, in cups is 3 and spoons is 5. In the first ratio, you will multiply it by 3. And in the second ratio, you will multiply it by 4. Okay, I will open both brackets. The first one is like spoons, cups, and plates. 7 times 3 is 21. And 4 times 5 is 20. And 4 times 3 is 12. Your final answer, I will eliminate one of the 12 and remain with 1 12. And your final answer is spoons is 20 to 12 to 21. In question 7, in a garage, the ratio of cars to vans is 5 to 3, while that of vans to lorries is 7 to 2. What is the ratio of cars to lorries in the garage? Cars to vans is 5 to 3, while that of vans to lorries is 7 to 2. Now lorries, you write here lorries after vans. It's cars to lorries is okay. In vans is 7, and in lorries is 2. Now, in the upper ratio, you will multiply it by 3, and in the lower ratio by
Well, the changed. It will be multiplied by 7.
okay, in the upper ratio by 7, and in the lower ratio by 3. I will open the brackets. Okay. 7 times 5 is 35 cars. 7 times 3 is 21 vans. 3 times 7 is 21 vans. And 3 times 2 is 6. I will eliminate one of the 21. My final answer is cars is 35. 2 vans is 21. 2 lorries is 6. This is my final answer.
Read the question again. What was the question saying?
In a garage,
The last
The
part
ratio-
of the
oh.
question.
sorry, what is the ratio of cars to lorries in the garage? Now, cars to lorries. Cars is 35. Cars is 35. And lorries is 6. My final answer is 35 to 6. Tomcat. Tom can knit 5 shirts in 35 days. How long will he take to knit 3 shirts? So, 5 shirts.
Correct the question.
Tom can 5 shirts is equals to 35 days. What about 2 shirts? 3 shirts. You will cross multiply 3 shirts up times 35 days over 5 shirts. Shirts and shirts. So your final answer is 21 days. Let me write here. But 21 days is the final answer. Question 9. A lorry consumes 7 liters of petrol to cover a distance of 56 kilometers. How many liters will the lorry use to cover 280? Now, 7 liters is equals to 56 kilometers. What about 280 kilometers? You will cross multiply 280 kilometers times 7 liters over 56 kilometers. Kilometer and kilometer. Your answer is 35 liters. It's your final answer. The last question says the cost of 6 shirts is 1800. 6 shirts is equals to 1800. What is the cost of 2 shirts? 6 shirts is equals to 1800 shillings. What about 2 shirts? Cross multiply. 2 shirts are 2 shirts times 1800 shillings over 6 shirts. Shirts and shirts. Your answer is 600 shillings. Thank you. Because